Good morning. The wedding's over. Sister is a wife. Yeah, so I know I tried my best to give you guys some clips and things about what's been happening for the last week, but I know it's not a lot, right? And then it's a few days now before we leave. We don't have much time. We're not hanging around for too much longer. So yeah, today is the first time we're gonna just do something just for, like, we did fun and have things, but it's today is just about chilling. Like, there's no agenda, there's no rather reason. We're just hanging out. I'm meeting up with a friend who also came for the wedding, and we haven't seen each other in like 5 years in person. COVID. So, Jesus, hold on. Yeah, so we haven't seen each other in person, so we're gonna chill a little bit. We have to, it's actually 10 o'clock. We're in an Airbnb and we have to leave the Airbnb by checkout is at 11. So we're gonna check out. I need to eat, but I need more coffee. Like, I had a little I don't know, it was a 3-in-1 coffee sachet things, but I think I need stronger coffee. My ankles hurt so bad, y'all. Like, at some point I'm going to show you the shoes, because like I'm gonna, like, in my previous video, I think it was either last week or the one before that, where I was showing y'all things that I got from Shein. Hold on, you don't have to come out, and I just want the door closed because of the TV. On Shein, and then, like, a long time, girl, no wear heels that high, that long, in rapid succession. Okay. I'm a little bit undetermined, because I say, girl, I feel cute. They were stunning. They're stunning, but they weren't broken in. And let me tell you, right now my ankles hurt. They hurt so bad. So I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna wear my Crocs. And we're headed to the beach in a little bit. I'm gonna get some breakfast, get some coffee. Starbucks there at Portmore. I'm gonna check. I don't know. But that's what I need. Coffee, breakfast. Maybe I shouldn't get breakfast. We're going to the beach. We're gonna chill out over Fort Clarence. Fish on the beach. That is it. That is the Shreks. Not gonna get breakfast. We're gonna get coffee and we're gonna head to the beach to hang. And then meet up with little family some more. Yeah. So I'll try to vlog more for the rest of the time that we're here. And then go back in the kitchen. Yes? Alright. Big up on yourself.
in the morning. We fight a lot, don't even know about what. I just want you to leave, darling. It's my only hope. Can't you see our time is up? I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up early in the morning. Without you by my side, yeah. Waking up early in the morning, and baby, I feel fine. I feel fine. I don't want to start over. Finally some peace and quiet since you left, so don't bother. This is how I feel now. I never had it so good. Had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. Waking up in the middle of the night, all alone. Realizing in the middle of the night, I'm glad you're gone. I'm glad you're gone. I never had it so good. Baby, I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I never had it so good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would. I feel good. I feel good. I never had it so good. Without your love, I know I would.
There it is.
It looks like a flip flop. Hey, I was doing something.
I think there might be.
We were stepping on a fish. We're stepping on a whole family. What?
I'm gone for the business. Them borrow.
Got it.
Alright, so we had a nice chill day at the beach. I need to sleep. Like, I'm literally sitting there. I'm between just being tired and doing everything. My eyes are literally closing. Literally closing. So, enjoyed your day?
Yeah, look,
time to
I
go.
found a clam.
Put it back. It's alive. Put it back.
I'm burying.
Alright, so come. We need to go home, get food, bed, and see if I can get just rest. Like tonight, just rest. Yeah.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Took up the tank yet?
Life.
You ain't took the tank up. Tank turn over. Another night day. Rhino. Did some laundry so as to not supposed to can't go take them up now. Leaving in about an hour. I take up the tank yet.
The tank, me not do it until later.
Why?
Me not on time for it, you know. Tank no longer sit down. Me went tell if you drop last night, she be from bed. You know when they do we one our thing, they do we one our business. We went tell if you drop. We tell if you full, we went tell if you drop.
Ah, okay. Which one? Is it you? It's not you. There we go. All this like that.
That one is for out there. Oh, one small one then.
There's only 2 small ones on there.
You try the other one then.
I just used it up top. Okay. I eat every single way. My aunt can't catch. I eat the soft yam, I eat the ackee starfish. Get the apple. Hold up a coconut water. What else? One thing I get a jackfruit. I get no jackfruit this time, but that's okay. Girl is uppy. So free paper bun. I'm gonna go pack up our suitcases and things. There's some cake soup to carry on because can't get none over some. Got some original bomber cake soup. No man. Chloro blue. I'll try them here. So I'll bring those. I want this. Some seasoning and snacks. There's a whole heap more snacks than I thought. I don't think all of them are coming. I don't know where I gotta put them. But we'll see.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better.
So we're back home. Got in late this morning. Well, early this morning. Late last night. And back into the swing of it as soon as we are here. Still super tired. I plan to just sleep the rest of the day. Daughter's home. She's gonna sleep and rest before really jumping back in tomorrow. One of the big items on my list will be that right there. It needs to come down. It's now end of January. That's, you know, it's time for it to go. I'm gonna make myself some coffee. I got my creamer all warmed up. I'm gonna froth it. And then, honestly, I'm just gonna go lay down. I'm gonna try to lay down. And then, you know, I mean, as is the situation when you go away, you try to leave the fridge as empty as possible. So that was done. So that obviously needs to happen as well. Need to go get some groceries. But yeah, we're back and ready to take on what we need to take on for the next month. Yeah, let's jump into it.
You
need to ask a question. Like, what are the girlies doing for their home office chairs? Because what I'm doing is not working. This chair, I have had it for a year. Only a year, like literally probably 13 months. I know I got it before 2024 started, like before I went, you know, hybrid. And look at this. Look at the material on here and look at the arms. It's all cracked up and da da da. I mean, and this is the second chair. In like I wanted, like I spent good money on the chair because I wanted it to be comfortable and I wanted it to last. But that is not happening. Is the problem the leather? Like, what are the guys doing? Like, should I not be looking at leather office chairs anymore? Because this is quite comfortable and cushiony, but right now I'm having to sit on a towel because obviously it would irritate me. But like, what are y'all doing? Like, I need some advice. Like, tell me what y'all do. What do you do for your home office? Because this ain't gonna work. This ain't gonna work. I'm not just gonna buy another one. Should I be doing cloth wrapped chairs? But then I worry about it getting dirty. Like, you know what I mean? Just help a girl out. What are you guys doing for your home office? No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you're broke, your love lost the way. It's like you're always stuck in gear. I know this hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year, but I'll be there for you. But you're there for me too. I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to pour, I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too. One time I knew the second verse of that song. I don't anymore. Or maybe I just need a reminder because my brain can't find it. Currently using this astringent. Well, that's the fried side, but this is the astringent I'm currently using with witch hazel. I like it. I think it's okay. I can't remember which one I was using before this, but this one's okay. I didn't exactly keep up with my skincare routine in Jamaica. I was so busy running around. Like, honestly, most days I just use the cleanser and the exfoliant that I'm about to show you. That's what I did most days because I I didn't want to overload and being in the sun and all of that jazz. But oh, I got a pimple. This is a leave-on exfoliant penoxyl as well that I am using. So I will do a review eventually. I've been using them for about 2 weeks now. So here they are together. I've been using them for about 2 weeks now, and I like them. I really like them. I think they're doing great. And I'm gonna give it about a month or two, maybe 2, because 2 is when you really see the effects. So I'm gonna give about 2 months, and then there will be a review on my blog. So if you're not subscribed to my blog, please go ahead and do that. If you like lifestyle content, it's www.shandean.com. It is literally in the start of every video, every vlog. It's in there. And if the post, like if the vlog is relating to a post that I have made recently, I generally put it in the description of the vlog. You know what? I'm just thinking about it now, and I think I should do that. I think that if the vlog pertains to a blog post that I have, I'm going to put it in the description. So before I would only link new ones or very, very specifically relevant blogs. But I think I'm going to change that a little bit, and as long as it's relevant or relating to something in the video, like, you know, they go together real bad, I'm going to put it in the description. So yeah, like I was saying, I will do a review on the penoxyl at some point on my blog. So if you're subscribed, you will get that whenever time I do it. Let me know if you guys also read my blogs, because your girl loves to write. That's my domain, not just creatively but professionally as well, a little bit. So I'm always going to keep doing that. So yeah, I thought, you know, but since we're talking about my blog, let's really talk about my blog. So I've been blogging since 2016, when I first when I was pregnant. So it started out with me sort of like cataloging all of my feelings about my first trimester of pregnancy, and I showed it to a friend who said, why don't you post a blog? And I'm like, why would I blog about my pregnancy? Like, who wants to see that? Who wants to hear that? Like, and they were just trust me, just do it. And I did, and I posted it to my Facebook, which, you know, pretty small, pretty intimate, and within a couple of weeks I hit 10,000 views, and I was like, what? Y'all are interested in reading my thoughts? Say less. So that's where everything took off from, the whole content creation journey. And so yes, I am late to the video portion of content creation, and I never got into being a Instagram type of deal, type of creator. But the blog is the OG, and that's where my heart lives. But my heart is slowly starting to live on YouTube as well, so I think I'm going to keep doing that. And just a little, for any of you who don't know, that I do actually just write. So my blogs are now, there's still a couple of personal ones in there, but they're mostly lifestyle related. So I'll review products and I'll review things, like the other day when I bought a new vacuum. You could look out for reviews on there. When I stay at resorts, I review them on there, things like that. So if you're looking for heaps and heaps of content, if you love to read, go over there and visit your girl. Again, that's www.shandeanreid.com. Yeah. And so now let's get my morning going. The house is a mess. The house is a hot mess. I don't know how this happened. We cleaned before we left, you know, but somehow it's just it looks really bad. It's just driving me nuts. I'm about to start screaming. So I'm gonna go take care of that. I did the laundry yesterday. So bedding, we've got to get the bedding done. That's all the laundry I have left to do. I did the towels last night. They're in the drawer. So just the bedding. And then I'm gonna pick up, I have a ton of shoes. Like I didn't realize how many shoes made the trip to Jamaica. So I have a ton of shoes just strewn about the place, and some little knickknacks things that came out of the suitcases. But the clothes have all been unpacked and put away. So
You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you played, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me some to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength. save yourself. Save yourself. I don't wanna be crazy no more. Every time I question what my future has in store, I get to panicking, anxiety, can't live here no more. I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I learned it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength.